In this lesson, we're going to look at proportional division, which really means sharing out a value into a given proportion. So here's a step-by-step guide of really how to do this. First of all, the question, we're going to share out £66 in the ratio 5 to 1. So if we're in the ratio 5 to 1, there are 6 parts to this. We need to share it into 6 pieces. And 5 to 1 means that 5 go in one pile of money and 1 goes in another pile of money. But we need to know 6 pieces first. And so of course we're adding up the numbers in the ratio. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then we work out how much each of one of those is worth. So we need to share out our £66 into 6. So we're doing 66 divided by 6, which is of course £11. Okay, so 5 lots of that £11 go in one pile, and 1 lot of that £11 goes in another pile. So that's how we do this. We do 5 lots of 11 to 1 lot of 11, which of course, as we can see, is 55 to 11, and that's the final answer. So that's the technique we're going to use throughout. Let's carry on and look at this, look at a more complicated question. So we've got £90 this time in the ratio 4 to 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. We've got 9 piles to share this into first of all. So we do 90 divided by 9, which is of course 10. We'll keep it in pound, that's £10. So we want 4 lots of that in one pile, 4 times 10, and we want 5 lots of that in the other pile, because we're in the ratio 4 to 5. So we've got 40 to 50 as our final answer. Right. This one has a 3-part ratio. We've got Rachel, Ben and Emma are given £52 and they share it in a ratio of their ages 10 to 9 to 7. How much do they each receive? Well, 10 plus 9 plus 7 is 26. So we've got 26 piles of money, if you like, to be shared out. So we do 52 divided by 26, which is 2. So we've got each pile worth £2. So 10 times 2 to 9 times 2 to 7 times 2, which is of course 20 to 18 to 14. So that's the final answer, and you should always check at the end that the numbers add up to the original amount, 52, and 20 plus 18 plus 14 is of course 52, so this is the correct answer. Now let's do quite a challenging question now. We've got 3 cows, Gertrude, Gladys and Henrietta, and they produce milk in the ratio 2 to 3 to 4. Now, Henrietta produces 1.5 litres more milk than Gladys. How much milk did the 3 cows produce in total? Now, if we've got Gertrude being in sort of the 2 in the ratio, and Gladys being the 3, and Henrietta being the 4, we can think about this a bit more clearly. Now, Henrietta produces 1.5 more litres than Gladys, which means that one pile of money must be, or sorry, I shouldn't say money, I should say milk, one sort of portion of this milk must be 1.5, because that's the difference between 3 and 4. So each one is worth 1.5. So we've got therefore 2 lots of 1.5 being produced here, 3 lots of 1.5 being produced here, and 4 lots of 1.5 being produced here. So if we add these up, we've got 3 there, we've got 4.5 there, and we have got 6 there. So if we add this up, we have our total amount, which is 13.5 litres, and that's the answer to that question. So that should be all you need to be able to answer the exercise. Good luck.